Good morning everybody. In this video we're going to talk about a very important rearrangement reaction which is a Claisen rearrangement. It involves 3,3 sigma-tropic reaction, but there are many modifications of Claisen rearrangement like Johnson-Claisen rearrangement, Ishimoto rearrangement. It is very important in terms of synthesis and also exam point of view. There is a phenolic substrate present. By looking at it, we can easily identify whether a Claisen rearrangement will occur or not. It does not require a specific type of a solvent as it undergoes concerted mechanism, so no reagent is required. Only in presence of heat the reaction occur. Only identify the phenolic substrate, just label the oxygen as this is a phenolic substrate and we will label it as 1 for the oxygen, and this carbon is also 1, and this will be the 2 and 3, and coming down this will be the second carbon and this will be the third carbon. So we'll move towards the mechanism step. So now we will label it again as 1 for this oxygen, the carbon next to it will be the 1, this 2, this 3, 2 and 3. Now we will move this double bond towards this side. This double bond will be shifted and this bond will break. So we will get a ketone over here, but it will undergo tautomerism. So one hydrogen will be eliminated and thus it will form a negative charge, and from the system it will get H plus and it will lead to form a hydroxy compound. So basically, looking at the mechanism, we get to know that how the phenolic derivative we get a hydroxy compound. Basic mechanism for Claisen rearrangement, where the double bond attack on the third carbon atom and this double bond shifted to form a ketonic compound, and thus again there would be a tautomerism to gain the aromaticity and we'll get a final product in this case. Now we'll look for one example. So can you tell me the product of this compound first by trying by yourself? So then we will start labeling accordingly. We will label 1 for this oxygen atom. You might be thinking why we are not labeling the other side as well. For OMe can be 3, but it would not happen because there is a steric factor and it won't easily leave the group. Therefore we will do mechanism and we will get the product easily as OH. In this case we will write over here OH, and this whole bond will be shifted and over here we get a product, and this will be as it is formed. So the mechanism would be this third will attack on this third carbon and there would be the shifting of this bond takes place and it will undergo formation of ketone double bond, and there will be a tautomerism step over here, and thus we will get a hydroxy compound as a final product. So it is a type of a pericyclic reaction undergoing a concerted mechanism step through 3,3 sigma-tropic